This video will overview how to remove the front wheel bushings on any lawn tractor rim. Removing the bushings is necessary when they get worn out or when an upgrade to sealed ball bearings is performed. Removal will be demonstrated on two roughly 30-year-old rims that have been well greased and never removed. The tools required are a hammer and a medium-sized chisel or pipe that can fit into the diameter of the existing bushing. A frequent mistake in this process is to use a small metal punch rather than a medium-sized chisel or bar, which is much more effective. Key points. Number 1. Do not throw away the old bushings because they can be used as a tool to push into place the new ball bearings, or if a replacement of the bushing is desired, to actually push the new bushing into place. Number 2. It's better to hammer the bushings out on a soft surface like grass to avoid scraping the rims and causing rust. Number 3, always examine the axle to make sure that it is still in good shape. The axle should be replaced if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.